Let me show you how to crochet the picot. Get started by chaining a multiple of 4 plus 2. Working into the second chain from your hook, we are going to work a single crochet. So row 1 is going to be very easy. We are just going to work a row of single crochets all the way across. So go ahead and work those single crochets, and I will meet you at the end of this row. When you reach the end of row 1, chain 1 and turn. So row 2, we are starting with a single crochet in the first stitch, and that will bring us to our first picot. So insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through that loop, and now we are basically going to chain 3. So yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop. So you can see that we've chained 3 here. Now yarn over and pull through those last 2 remaining loops. Now that picot is not complete until we work a single crochet into the following stitch. So go ahead and work your single crochet into that next stitch there. And this is what we are going to repeat all the way across this row, is working a picot in the next stitch and then followed by a single crochet in the next stitch to complete it. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop. You can see that we've chained 3 here. Yarn over, pull through those last 2 remaining loops. Now work a single crochet into the next stitch. Kind of push that chain 3 out so that that picot sticks out on the other side of your work. And you can just repeat that all the way across the row. When you reach the end of the row, chain 1 and turn. For row 3, we are going to do the same as row 2. We are just going to single crochet into every stitch all the way across this row. So go ahead and work your single crochets, and I will meet you at the end of this row. When you reach the end of your row, chain 1 and turn. Row 5 is a lot like row 4, but we are going to single crochet in the first 2 stitches. So 1 single crochet and another single crochet into the next stitch. And now we can start our picot repeat. So in the next stitch, work your picot, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through loop. Now chain 3, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through both those 2 last remaining loops. And now work a single crochet in the next stitch. Just repeat that all the way across, working your picot and then your single crochet. So insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through both those last 2 loops, and now work a single crochet in the next stitch. At the end of your row, you should have 1 last remaining stitch. I worked my picot and then my single crochet, and I still have 1 last stitch here. Single crochet into that stitch. Now you can chain 1 and turn. And you can repeat rows 2 through 5 until your project reaches your desired length. You can find short form tutorials like this on my TikTok and Instagram, and all my patterns are at modernmade.net. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I release new tutorials like this every other week.